Imagine if XRP, the controversial yet popular cryptocurrency, is on a price path that mirrors one of the biggest stock success stories of all time, Netflix. Yes, the streaming giant that revolutionized media. What if I told you that XRP's current price consolidation might be laying the groundwork for an astronomical rally, possibly pushing its price up to $95? Stay tuned because we're diving deep into why some market analysts believe this isn't just speculation. This is a story about potential exponential growth that you won't want to miss. Welcome back to Crypto World, where we break down crypto trends, forecasts, and analyses to help you make better investment decisions. Today, we're exploring one of the hottest topics in the XRP community, whether this digital asset could be on track for a Netflix-style rally, one that could take its price up to unprecedented highs. If you're looking for well-researched insights into XRP's future, you're in the right place. And hey, if you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you can stay in the loop with all things crypto. XRP's journey has been nothing short of dramatic, marked by huge highs, severe lows, and constant uncertainty. Despite its rollercoaster past, some market experts believe it has the potential for an exponential price surge, one that could potentially take it to $95 per coin. In today's video, we'll look at how XRP's current price path is eerily similar to Netflix's, why this matters, and what factors could play a role in this potential rally. Stick around, because by the end, you'll have a much clearer picture of where XRP could be heading. Alright, let's start with a bit of history. XRP had one of the most incredible price runs in crypto history, skyrocketing to an all-time high of $3.31 in January 2018. This represented an astonishing 60,000% gain over just a few years, a rally that caught the attention of the entire market. But as quickly as it went up, it crashed, and XRP hasn't been able to recover to those levels since. Currently trading around the 50-cent mark, XRP is far below its peak, and for a long time now, it's been struggling even to maintain the $1 mark. This price action has left many investors feeling frustrated. Over the past few years, XRP's price has been relatively stagnant, and its performance has lagged behind many other major cryptocurrencies. Some believe that this stagnation is partly due to external factors, such as regulatory challenges and a lawsuit with the SEC that has impacted investor sentiment. Others point to what they consider a price suppression scheme, though it's important to note that these claims are speculative. Let's add some context to this downturn. By March 2020, XRP had hit an extremely low price of 11 cents, marking a brutal 96% drop from its 2018 high. Even though it managed to climb back from this floor price, it hasn't quite managed to regain the momentum it had years ago. For nearly 3 years now, XRP has struggled under the weight of external pressures, including the SEC lawsuit, which has cast a shadow over its price performance. Yet, this period of underperformance is what has analysts like XRP intrigued because they see a pattern here, one that resembles Netflix's own price trajectory in its early years. Now, let's dive into this Netflix comparison, which could hold some intriguing insights for XRP holders. Back in October 2002, Netflix's stock was trading at a low of just 35 cents per share. But from there, Netflix saw an incredible 1,528% rally, reaching a high of $5.64 by February 2004. Then, much like XRP, it faced a steep correction. Netflix dropped down to $1.32, sparking doubt and concern among investors who feared it might never fully recover. For several years, Netflix traded below that peak price, consolidating and moving sideways. Investors were growing frustrated, wondering if the company would ever achieve its previous highs again. But something remarkable happened. By December 2008, Netflix finally broke out of its consolidation phase and started to climb. And once it did, there was no stopping it. Over the next decade, Netflix's stock experienced an astonishing rally, climbing by over 18,563% to reach a peak of $754.68. Today, Netflix is considered one of the most successful growth stories in the stock market. Now, why does this matter for XRP? Well, XRP's analysis suggests that XRP's price movements have mirrored Netflix's historical price trajectory quite closely. In fact, he believes XRP is in a similar phase to where Netflix was in early 2008, a phase of consolidation that could lead to a massive rally. If XRP were to follow a similar growth trajectory, the potential gains could be huge. Based on this model, XRP could eventually reach prices as high as $95, although this would likely take several years to materialize. Now, If you're excited about the potential of XRP following a similar path to Netflix and you want to stay informed on all the latest updates, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Here at Crypto World, we keep our community updated on market analysis, price trends, and everything you need to know to stay ahead in the crypto space. Let's make sure you're the first to know about new insights like these. Of course, this kind of growth doesn't happen in a vacuum. So, what are the factors that could propel XRP to new heights, if this Netflix comparison holds any weight? The first major factor is the potential resolution of the ongoing SEC lawsuit. This lawsuit has been a cloud hanging over XRP for years now, impacting its price and causing uncertainty in the market. If the lawsuit reaches a favorable resolution or settlement, this could clear the way for XRP to regain investor confidence. Imagine the boost in investor sentiment if Ripple, the company behind XRP, can operate without the threat of regulatory action in the US market. A positive outcome could lead to renewed interest from institutional investors, creating more demand and potentially lifting XRP's price. Another important factor is XRP's adoption in the financial sector. Ripple has positioned XRP as a bridge currency for cross-border payments, and despite the regulatory issues, they've continued to make inroads with financial institutions around the world. If more institutions adopt Ripple's technology to improve cross-border payments, the demand for XRP could increase, which would likely have a positive impact on its price. After all, we know that demand is one of the primary drivers of price in any market. Additionally, it's important to consider the overall growth of the crypto market. We've seen in past bull cycles that as Bitcoin and Ethereum rally, many altcoins, including XRP, tend to follow suit. If we're on the brink of another major bull market, XRP could be well positioned to benefit. With its unique utility and established presence in the financial sector, XRP has the potential to attract both retail and institutional investors as the market grows. Let's talk about patience for a moment, because that's another key takeaway from this Netflix comparison. In the early days, very few people could have predicted that Netflix would go on to become a household name and a stock market success story. The investors who held on through the consolidation phases were ultimately the ones who reaped the most rewards. This lesson in patience is particularly relevant to XRP holders who may feel discouraged by the asset's prolonged underperformance. In a similar way, XRP holders who are in it for the long haul might see significant returns if the asset does follow a trajectory similar to Netflix. But it's important to remember that just as Netflix's growth took years to unfold, so might XRP's. The key here is patience and understanding that exponential growth often requires time, persistence, and the willingness to ride out the market's ups and downs. To put it in perspective, if XRP did indeed follow a similar path to Netflix, we wouldn't expect an overnight jump to $95. Instead, this would likely be a gradual process, potentially unfolding over several years. And of course, nothing in the crypto market is guaranteed, so this is just one of many possible scenarios. But the comparison does give XRP investors a reason to be optimistic about the asset's long-term potential. If you're finding value in these insights and you want to stay on top of XRP's latest developments, hit that subscribe button. Here at Crypto World, we're committed to delivering detailed analysis, industry trends, and predictions that matter most to our community. By subscribing, you'll be in the loop for all future updates, so don't miss out. Thank you for sticking with us until the end. If you enjoyed this breakdown of XRP's potential and the intriguing comparison to Netflix's price trajectory, give the video a thumbs up, and let us know your thoughts in the comments. Are you bullish on XRP, or do you think this comparison is a bit too optimistic? We'd love to hear your take. And if you're hungry for more insights on the crypto market, be sure to check out our other videos. We've covered everything from Bitcoin's latest moves to in-depth analyses of altcoins with potential. Until next time, stay curious and stay informed.